Okay, so at the normal expiration point, how much volume of air presented inside the lungs? ERV from here to here and RV. So FRC is equal to ERV plus RV. So 1100 plus 1200. You can add both the volumes, the capacity, FRC capacity will come. Up to this clear? Right. So next one, vital capacity, VC, the maximum volume of air a person can breathe in a forced expiration. The maximum volume of air a person can breathe in after a forced expiration. This includes ERV plus TV plus IRV. And one more definition, the maximum volume of air a person can breathe out means exhales after a forced inspiration. So vital capacity defined by two different types of statements. So first one, the maximum volume of air a person can breathe, a person can inhale in after forced expiration, after a forced expiration. This is the first definition. And next one, the maximum volume of air a person can breathe out after a forced inspiration. So here first one, go through the first definition. The maximum volume of air a person can breathe in a after a forced expiration. So we can start from forced expiration point. What is forced expiration point? This is the forced expiration point. From this point, how much maximum air a person can inhale, that is called vital capacity. So how much maximum air a person can inhale? So this is maximum expiratory point. From this, from here to here a person can inhale. Why? Because of this is expiratory reserve volume and this is TV, so tidal volume by normal inspiration, and this is water, this is IRV, additional volume of air by forcible inspiration. So what given statement here, the definition is the maximum volume of air a person can breathe in a forced, after a forced expiration. So this is the forced expiration point. From this, how much volume of air a person is able to inhale, that is from here to maximum inspiration point, how much this is from here to here the person is able to inhale, that is called vital capacity. The maximum volume of air a person can inhale after a forced expiration is called vital capacity. So VC is equal to ERV plus TV plus IRV. ERV plus TV plus IRV is called VC, vital capacity. So one more definition also given. So here given already, it includes ERV plus TV plus IRV. Okay, one more statement. So the maximum volume of air a person can breathe out means exhales after a forced inspiration. What is the forced inspiration point? This is the forced inspiration point. So a maximum volume of air a person can exhales or breathe out after a forced inspiration, and in this point how much volume of air a person can exhale. So this much air a person can inhale means this much air a person can exhale, obviously, right? So you can describe from inspiration point. Earlier definition we described from expiratory point, maximum expiratory point. We can describe from now we can describe from maximum inspiratory point. So the maximum volume of air a person can exhale after a forced inspiration. So that is vital capacity. So IRV plus TV plus ERV, so whatever it may be, that is the same. Okay, understood or not? So you can add all the values, the vital capacity will come. So IRV 2500 and TV 500 and ERV, that is 1100. You can add and VC will come, the vital capacity will come. Okay, right. Next one, the total lung capacity, total volume of air accommodated in the lungs at the end of a forced inspiration. The total volume of air accommodated in the lungs at the end of a forced inspiration. In the forced inspiration, how much volume of air, the total volume of air presented inside the lungs is called total lung capacity. So what is the forced inspiration point? Means maximum inspiration point, this point. In this point, how much volume of air, the total volume of air presented in the lungs, not inhalation, not exhalation here, the total volume of air presented in the lungs at the time of by forcible inspiration. Just you can forcibly inspire once you inspired, at that time how much volume of air presented inside the lungs is called total lung capacity. So here see, the total lung capacity means, so from here to here already we discussed, that is VC. Total lung capacity means VC plus RV, right? So TLC is equal to VC plus RV. Otherwise you can describe, you can give the formula for TLC, IRV plus TV plus ERV plus RV, that is TLC. Understood or not? Right? The total volume of air accommodated presented in the lungs at the end of forced inspiration. This is the forced inspiration point, maximum inspiration point. So in this point, how much volume of air presented inside the lungs? The total volume of air presented inside the lungs at the forced inspiration point, the maximum inspiratory point, that is called as TLC. So TLC is equal to VC plus RV. Otherwise another formula, that is IRV plus TV plus IRV plus IRV plus TV plus ERV plus RV. Up to this clear? Hope all of you understood this topic, that is inspiratory capacity, expiratory capacity, functional residual capacity, vital capacity and total lung capacity. So once go through this video and go through the NCERT lines also, once go through the graph also, and after that in our material some of the problems given, some of the MCQs given based on this respiratory volumes and capacities, practice, and any doubts just text me. Thank you very much. Bye bye.